Hello, and welcome to our channel.
The other day I was at a store and found some chickpea flour, and so we decided to make an Indian flatbread called Missi Roti. Your turn.
What do I say? Thanks for watching. Oh yes. Thank you for watching.
All right, now how do you like the Missi Roti?
It's good for the soul. Recently, we've been trying to grow our channel. It would mean the world to us if you could click that like button, the subscribe button, and perhaps even share this video to your friends.